Give that big Dominator a breath of fresh air and some room to spare under the hood too. Holley now offers drop-base, open element air cleaners for the popular Dominator 4500 series carburetors with the 7¼ inch neck. Our large 16-inch drop bases give you almost an extra inch of hood clearance without creating issues below. Holley's stamped steel air cleaner assemblies are available in bright chrome, or you can get yours in the popular EDP black finish. The tops are so large and smooth, we decided to just go ahead and leave them alone for that stealth look. But feel free to customize that big billboard with your own graphics or even some custom pinstriping to make it your own. You can get your Dominator air cleaner assembly with a washable 3-inch red gauze element, or choose one with a pleated 3-inch white paper element. The large 16-inch filter diameter increases the surface area, trapping more contaminants before they can get into your engine. The increased size also helps to reduce air restriction, perfect for those heavy-breathing Dominators. So go ahead, let that engine breathe easy with the 4500 series air cleaner from Holley. Thanks for watching. For more information on our 16-inch drop-base air cleaners for the Dominator carburetor, visit our website at holley.com.